Hi, my name is Fox Moeti, the Managing Director of Motiva F Construction and Engineering. In Motiva F, we specialize with steelworks and fabrication. Motiva F Construction offers services like repair, maintain, and refurbish. We are located in Sunrise Park. Motiva F has been sponsored or granted by NYDA in the year 2019. Here are my tools: drilling machine, jigsaw, breaker, compressor, concrete mixer, and the toolbox. The welding also, and the generator, petrol generator, with 2 stairs, 2.8 one and 6 meter one. My contact details goes as follows: 079 027 8149, alternative 073 652 9906.